Our lungs are one of the most important organs in our body, yet few of us think of ways that we can help to take care of them. We need to detoxify them, we need to cleanse them, and nourish them so that we can keep them nice and healthy. Today, I'm going to show you just how to do that. I'm Nanette, certified master herbalist and founder of aimtohealth.com. The lungs can accumulate toxins rather rapidly from our diet, our lifestyle, and the air we breathe. Anything that goes through the lungs gets into our bloodstream, so it's vitally important to consider them every day. If your lungs are loaded with toxins, then the oxygen uptake to the 37 trillion cells in our body are going to suffer. So the medicinal herbal formula that I'm going to share with you today is going to detoxify your lungs, it's going to clear the mucus, and it's going to help to nourish your lungs. And the first ingredient is green tea. The daily consumption of green tea has been shown to have high antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects and to reduce the risk of lung inflammation and even lung cancer. Green tea contains polyphenols called catechins, also known as EGCG. Catechins stop bacterial and viral activity and prevent cell damage while reducing inflammation in the body and specifically in the lungs. That is so very, very important. And the next ingredient is lemon. Lemons are high in vitamin C and zinc and boosts the natural killer cells in your body, which greatly strengthens your immune system. Lemons are antiseptic and help to kill bacteria and viruses in the body and eliminate mucus buildup in the lungs. The antioxidants in lemons help to cleanse the lungs and build up lung tissue. And building up lung tissue is so vitally important. The next ingredient is ginger. Ginger contains large amounts of antioxidants and greatly reduces inflammation, especially in the respiratory tract, and breaks down mucus in the lungs, relieving congestion and making breathing a lot easier. Ginger is a great herb for protecting your lungs. Now the fourth ingredient is honey. Honey is high in antioxidants as well as has antibacterial and antiviral properties. Honey reduces inflammation in the bronchial tubes as well as help to clear up mucus in the lungs, making it easier to breathe and take in oxygen. The final ingredient is one of my favorites, and anyone who follows me knows that I love cayenne. So the last ingredient is cayenne. Cayenne greatly increases circulation to all of the bodily systems, including the lungs. It helps to increase secretions and protect mucous membranes in the respiratory tract. So let's put all these ingredients together, and here's the recipe. 1 cup of organic green tea steeped for 3 minutes. Then add the juice of half of a lemon. Add half to 1 teaspoon of ginger, grated or chopped finely. Add 1 teaspoon of honey, and then to that top it off with 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now you'll want to mix that all together and take it preferably on an empty stomach. And if you are experiencing any symptoms, clogged lungs, mucus buildup, coughing, then what you'll want to do is take it between 1 and 3 times a day and continue until those symptoms disappear. And you can do this once a week, you can do this once a month. It's up to you. So when you see you have symptoms, go ahead and mix this together. But as a general maintenance, once a week would be great. So share this with your family, your friends, and be sure to hit the like button and to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I put out a video. And until next time, stay safe and be well.